Good afternoon. Today I will start from page number 4, India's neighbor. As you know, so many neighboring countries are there. India occupies an important strategic position in the South Asia. As you have read just now, it is lying in the northern hemisphere, but it is having an important strategic position in the South Asia. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. Nowadays it is changed already. Union territories being added to our country. So there are 29 states. Now find out some of the questions are given here. The number of the union territories along the western and eastern coasts. Some of the points are given. Area wise, which is the smallest and which is the largest state. So the smallest state is Goa and the largest state is Rajasthan. The states which do not have an international border or lie on the coast, that is your Haryana, and next is Jharkhand. Classify the states into 4 groups which having common frontiers with. So many countries are given here, like Pakistan, it is attached, China is also joining, Myanmar from the east side, and Bangladesh. So these are the countries how they are having the common frontiers with India. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan. You know the location of the Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. So these are some of the neighboring countries, how it is joining from northwest to northeast. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of 2 islands countries. Now 2 island countries are given over here, namely here it's given, that is your Sri Lanka and Maldives. Do you know? Let me read out this page number 4. One box is given on the right side. Before 1947, there were 2 types of states in India, the provinces and the princely states. Some of the provinces were there and some of the princely states were there, where the Britishers came and they set up those states. Provinces were ruled directly by the British officials who were appointed by the viceroy. Princely states were ruled by the local hereditary rulers. Now here it's given the provinces which were already set up by the British officials and some of the viceroy. Princely states, as it was ruled by our Indian rulers, who acknowledged sovereignty in return for local autonomy. Then page number 5, Sri Lanka and Maldives, 2 southern neighboring islands are given here. Sri Lanka and Maldives, you have read just now, the 2 island countries are there, and these 2 island countries are Sri Lanka. The last tip it's given, you can see the figure 1.5, how so many states are there and so many union territories are given here, but the 2 island countries are given, that is in the south, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait. When you will see the map, you will see how Sri Lanka is joining to India with the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Park Strait with the dotted line it's joining, and Gulf of Mannar below this dotted line it's given. India has had a strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. Now India from the very beginning, how it is joining the link between the neighboring countries. Look at the physical map of Asia in your atlas and note how India stands apart from the rest of Asia. Yes, it is lying in the Asian countries, but how it is showing the position apart from the rest of the Asia. So you can find out so many states are given over here, figure 1.5, and so many union territories are given. The question answer I will give you separately. This much is today's explanation.